Start Reality here from Duck Gaming. This is episode 3 of White Noise Multiplayer. I am with these guys. I can't remember what their gamer tags are, because it doesn't actually say in this. Yeah. I will show you them in one of the later episodes, or possibly after this game, if we die. So, this is the 3rd episode I've been playing with these guys now. Yeah. Yeah, it's like the 3rd episode with these guys, we all just die at the same time. Yes, you do. It doesn't actually make any noises. It's just sound effects put in to make you shit yourself. That's like the only way I can put it. There is more than one locker room. Wait, my screen's just gone pretty blurry. Well, you just look behind me, so I doubt that. I have a feeling we're gonna turn a corner and he's gonna pop out. Possibly that corner. Oh wow, me and one of my friends were just running around this, like, trolling him. He was going one way and we just ran the other. It's funny. Be careful, in one of these massive rooms, in one of the corner, there's like one. I don't know where it is on this place. I've ran around this place for ages and I've never found it. I think it's actually on the UFO. Don't die, please. Don't. He's dead. No! Why would you do this to us? You're gonna go what? Is he? I haven't seen him, so I'm not even gonna look. I'm gonna look! There's no one there. There's nothing there. Oh, Jesus Christ, my screen just blinked and I didn't even see him. If I overreact, then that's probably because I've got my turtle beaches on and they're all the way up and I'm shitting myself right now. Which turtle beaches have you got? I got X12s. Ha! Like, if I were these people, I would be shitting myself, and I would never do this. Why would someone torture themselves like this? Maybe it's on top of the, UFO. Oh, he's there. Maybe it's on top of the UFO, look. Oh, no, we can't go up there. I love how you're in front, so yikes. What the hell's that? Someone tell me what this is. This is like stone stand. It's a gravestone. It's got like something sticking out of it. Can you not see that? I can hear a radio. No, we're just like in some random hall. Right, we're going towards the barrel room. I think. I don't know which one it was. I died here before, like I could see him through the boxes. I can't see. So the most retarded thing I've ever done is the first radio I found, like I picked it up and then he grabbed me straight